In the previous chapters, we tried understanding how conditional statement, if-else statement, and then how choice statement, nothing but the switch statement works, right? So we have seen what is nested if-else statement, what is the switch statement, and the nested switch statement. So if you look at if-else or switch statement, they have certain kind of functionality associated, right? So if the given condition is true, you want to execute some code, or if the given condition is false, you want to execute some code. So if-else statement executes only once. So it just checks the condition and executes either if or else. And switch is a different scenario where we have seen like you provide a choice and based on the choice, it'll execute a case and then you write your break and then it'll come out. So both switch statement and if-else statements execute any set of statements only once. But in some situations, you want to execute some set of statements repeatedly, more than one. So usually we do a task repeatedly every time, right? So how do you perform that? So that is where the loops will come into the picture. So the loops help you out to execute a set of statements or a block of code repeatedly, means more than one time. If you want to execute, then we use loops.
Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you're new to Training Monk, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together.
So Java supports three primary loops. First is while, second is do while, and third one is for statement. The loops will execute the set of statements or the block of code based on the certain condition, right? So how many number of times always will be depend on the condition or how you want to use that in your program, or based on your business logic, how many number of times that you want to execute this set of statements, we can perform using loops. So we'll understand how these loops will work in our further videos.